Hey people, well here's my next fan to show. This is a 1977 Kmart made by Lakewood model K-223 box fan. With the original box, as you can see. Yes, I know, I've got 3 of these, but I just had to get one of these with the original box. Especially one with this style box. The patriotic design. As you can see, the box looks to have seen better days. As y'all know, a while back I did get another one that had the original box. It was from 1976, I believe, or late 1975. Anyway, I gave that one to Brian. For a while I kept the box for my 78 K-223, but then I decided to reunite then I decided maybe that box should actually stay with the fan that it came with. So I sent the box to Brian with his Superlectric in it. So now the 78 K-223 is without a box. That box was like in mint condition. I probably may only keep this till I find one with the box in better condition. Either that or one that has a little instruction pamphlet. So we'll have an overall look at the box, or have a look at the box, I should say. Yeah, Kmart, model number K223, 20-inch 3-speed whisper quiet fan. There's all the features. And there's a diagram of the fan. As you can see, it's got a first gen diagram on the box, or diagram of a first gen, I should say. But they would continue to use this style box until maybe mid 1980. Now look at the side. The other side and the back are the same. And I'll put this aside. Oh, let's look at the top. There's the shipping info. Turn that back around. Oh, it's got, I nearly forgot, it's got this section kind of ripped up, and there's like a rip in the, and then there's this. Anyway, here's the shipping info. You won't be able to read it. This thing won't focus very well. It went to a Kmart store in Kansas City somewhere. That's all I can come up with. Oh, now we'll have an overall look at the fan itself. As you can see, it's got the first gen blades, as it does on the box. And we'll turn this around. The color is slightly different from my 78 K223. Actually, I think the shade of blue is probably like in between that of my 75 K223 and K223W and my second gen K223, the one from 1980. The same shade of blue as that one that I used to own, which is probably from '76. That one went to a fellow YouTube user, a Lakewood fan collector. And there's the other side. I'm going to turn it around to the back. Yeah, this is now one of two K-223s, first gen K-223s I own with the McMillan motor. Close-up shot of the motor. Date code on this is F77, meaning it was produced in June of 1977. And of course it still has the thicker windings, unlike the '78 one, which has the thinner windings. Since this is from the middle of '77, it still has the thicker windings. I did have an S223, well, back from April of '77, but I gave that one to Breon. But I have this one. Turn around. Kind of got the cord caught under there. Anyway, here's the top. Get a look at it from this angle. And it's got the typical solid blue or opaque blue Kmart sticker. Same as both the other first gen K-223s. As well as the 75 K-23-W. And that thing, that K-14X sitting up there. So, now I guess we'll run it. Here's high. And it doesn't seem to have much of a startup sound. Seems to run normal when cool, but when it gets warmed up it starts humming. But I think that later goes away when it warms up even more. But it doesn't seem to affect the performance. It still runs. Here's medium. And it still seems to have an average medium. Maybe kind of a medium low, I don't know. And finally low. And like the 78 K-223, this has a nice quiet low. So back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And there you have it. This is my 1977 Kmart by Lakewood model K-223 with original box. Thank you for watching.